and exactly what I'm gonna make that zoo. This is the rainforests of the sea, and you're gonna find coral, marine fish, and all sorts.
Feels like it's a real
It's a
one.
real aquarium. This is what Diane wants to build. A marine aquarium.
100 gallon.
This is what you want to build.
Yeah, no, this is a 500 gallon tank. And look, that's a Rego tank, Tony. Look how big that fish is.
So find all the fishes you want. the web.